Hello, little math explorers. Are you ready for another exciting number adventure? Today, we're learning a super cool math trick called subtraction with borrowing. What happens when we try to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? Let's find out. Let's look at this number, 42 minus 7. Can we take 7 away from 2? No, 2 is too small. So what do? We borrow from the tens place. The 4 in 42 is actually 40, right? So let's borrow 110 from it. Now we have 30 in the tens place, and our 2 ones turn into 12 ones. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 7 is 5. And in the tens place, we still have 3 tens left. So the answer is 35. Now, let's try one together. What is 31 minus 9? Oh no! We can't take 9 away from 1. Let's borrow from the tens. That turns 31 into 2 tens and 11 ones. Now, 11 minus 9 is 2. And we still have 2 tens left, so the answer is 22. Let's make sure you really get it. What if someone forgets to borrow and says 31 minus 9 is 22? Oops. Is that right? Nope. That's why we always check if we need to borrow. Try this at home. Draw tens and ones blocks and cross out when you borrow. It helps your brain see what's happening. And get ready. Next time, we'll learn how to subtract with 2-digit numbers when both digits need borrowing. Great job today. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a subtraction superstar.